Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Sandy Place, and today I am going to show you how I got these textured waves. If you're interested in this topic, then just keep on watching. Alright, excuse the way I look. I just got out of the shower. Don't have any makeup on, but I want to do this crazy technique that I saw on the tube, and it basically, this girl puts her hair in these braids and goes to sleep. However, I don't have time to go to sleep, obviously, because I have an appointment. So I'm gonna try and see, because my hair dries really fast. Like, if you can see, it's already starting to dry. I am going to put my hair in a bunch of little braids as fast as I can and see if they can air dry. And if they don't air dry by the time that my makeup's done, then I'll just blow dry them. This is for sure taking forever. I'm just gonna do one big one down here just because I can't imagine, like, I feel like the girl who I watched do this in her video, I feel like she had like way thicker hair than me. Like, I have really thin hair and I can't imagine how long it would take. Okay, last little bit. I'm just gonna do this whole thing. Oh, this is a really long process. I feel like it's probably taking the exact same time as like curling my hair would take, but it just feels like it's taking longer. Ugh. Anyway, any of you guys on here watch Paradise Hotel? I was like catching up earlier today, and it's getting so good. Anyway, braids are done. I'm gonna go do my makeup and finish getting ready. Mostly just my makeup, and then I'll come back and we'll take all the braids out. Okay, I'm back. My makeup is done. I think it's time to take these out. Okay, so I blow dried them. I think it's as good as it's gonna get. All right, let's start taking them out. Here we go. I really hope that this is cute because I would hate to lead y'all astray. Okay, honestly, my hair is still wet. I feel like this isn't working out. Okay, I'm gonna speed this up. Okay, so I'm pretty sure they're all out. My hair still feels damp, which is crazy because I felt like it was drying when it was out. I don't feel like the braids really took. It's just honestly making my hair look really frizzy, which I'm not into. So what I did is I went under my sink and I got my little wand. It's not my favorite curling iron, so if you're thinking, I thought you said you didn't have your curling iron. This isn't a curling iron, it's a wand. And it's also not my favorite one. So I'm gonna quickly try and see how that would look. If you're gonna try this technique, sleep in it, or give it more time to dry, because clearly I didn't give my hair enough time to dry and it didn't work out. I think what I'm going to do is try it again, but leave it on longer, like when I like to try it again when I don't have someplace to go, and leave it on like either overnight or leave it on until it's all the way dry without blow drying. That way we can really test it out, because this is not cute. I can't go out in public like this. And this one, see, it's just not. Ugh. I feel like it doesn't look as thin. Anyway, I'm gonna go to this appointment. Hopefully, I at least showed you how to fix a hair disaster. Just grab whatever wand you have. That's that. I'm really sorry that it didn't work out. I can come back and try it again tomorrow. Okay, I'm back. Eddie is getting out of frame. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm starting my nighttime routine. So I am going to try the braids again. I'm gonna get a clippity clip and clip one side up. Make sure Oscar doesn't jump on the table, please. And then let's see, I'm gonna try and be more tactful with these braids this time, because last time I kind of just threw them all together. So this looks a little crazy. Let's see. Part of me wants to make the braids bigger than last time. They were really small and it was kind of annoying doing like a million tiny little braids. But I think now I'm actually going to sleep in them, and then I'll be back in the morning to show you what they all look like. What's Oscar doing in the background? Oscar, what are you doing? Actually, do you know what? This would be a really good check-in for my foundation. It's actually done pretty good today. It's the L'Oreal Fresh Wear. This one in the shade 460. When I first got it initially, it was a little dark, but I've been getting kind of tan, so kind of matches now. And I'm actually kind of impressed because I didn't think that it would, I don't know, everyone was hyping it up and I wasn't really that into it, but now that I've been wearing it more, it's actually a pretty dang good foundation. That's probably why everyone's hyping it. Okay, give us some advice for Eddie, okay? We're gonna ask some advice for Eddie. No. Can we ask some advice for Eddie?
No. I'm gonna put my business on the tube.
Eddie doesn't want his business on the tube. Okay, asking for a friend. Asking.
Okay, not for Eddie, for a friend.
It's not for Eddie, it's for a friend. Should we ask advice for myself? Okay. Give me all of your best shakes, like your best like weight loss smoothie tricks. I want to come on here and show you guys what I do for like my meal shakes, like what I add to them to make my meal shakes. I wanted to do a video like that. I also wanted to order these apple cider vinegar tablets because I heard apple cider vinegar was really good for you. Do you think it is? I think you guys have seen enough. I will finish this out and I'll see you in the morning. Bye. Good morning. I did end up sleeping in these, and do you know what, surprisingly? They stayed, and they weren't really uncomfortable. I think the only one that was like uncomfortable was the ones like right by my face, or if this would kind of just scratch. I don't know. It wasn't that bad. I sleep like crazy anyway. You know what sucks is that when I took these out yesterday, it felt a lot easier, and right now taking these out feels like I'm actually taking out knots. Oh man. It's too early. It's too early for this. Alright, so we have one side done. It looks like it took an actual crimper and was like... I made Eddie watch my best friend's wedding last night, which is a rom-com, or just maybe just a rom. And I think he loved it, guys. I think he loved it. It was not. Alright, so this is what we got. Goodness. I'm gonna go do some research and find out what Desi did to figure out how to make this work. Oscar, what are you doing? Oscar. Wow. See that attitude right there? He's upset. He's upset with Eddie. You upset with Eddie? Anyway, I'll be right back. I'm gonna do some research. Okay, so I watched Desi's video. Turns out, homegirl put a lot of hair product in her hair before she even braided it, which is probably what made it look better. Cause see, I have the same kind of texture that she had, but she put all this product in, and then she had the braids go all the way down to the very end, which I, didn't do. All right, I think it's safe to say that I'm gonna have to take the L. I'm gonna have to take an L on this. This isn't cute. Oh, do you know what might help? If I use my waver. Oh, BRB. This is hot. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab pieces that aren't as wavy as the back, like up here. And I'm just going to see, because see, if you look it down there, it really has texture. And I wonder if I do little pieces, if it'll give it the same effect. Kind of. Oh. There you go. Why didn't I think of this yesterday? Look at me finding ways to use this. Let me know. Oh, see, look. That helped. Wow. That made a difference. And I didn't even have to do the back. Oh, look at that. So now if you want to have the wave effect, but you don't want to spend all the time actually waving every piece of your hair, you could just braid it and then wave the top layers. Let me see if I can part. So what I learned about parts is you go with your eyebrows. So in my forehead's like a weird shape. So if you look at where I have my little peak, I can't do the down the middle thing. So I go up right here where this peak is. I should probably do my makeup. I'm just gonna go jump in the pool. All right, I think we found a way to make this cute. I'm happy with this. I think I would do it again, but I'm kind of into this. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below on what you think I should film next, or whether or not you like this hair. If you don't like it, maybe don't comment. Anyway, thanks for coming back. See you next week. Bye. Oscar, do you feel personally victimized by Eddie? Yeah.